Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. Well, last night we did a little experiment. As you can see, we have our brassica forest out in front of our house. It's all plumbed up with irrigation and it's going really well. Those totes are pretty tall and you want to hang around and watch to see what happens because we found the marauders last night.
We can come off. And see what it should be loose enough that you can actually slide it up the dowel, and yeah, like that. And when you get, as you go down and you reach to the point where it's a little uncomfortable, you're going to slide this off the top, and you're just going to keep working on the dowel all the way down. And you can use pretty much anything you want. When I teach, like at pencils, I actually have I ran out of dowels one year.
A pencil!
I picked up pencils.
I got some
and, yeah. So pencils work. They're a little bit larger, but 1/4-inch dowels is what I usually start people on, if I have them, you know. And that's a 4, so that's why it tends to be. It also lives in here because it's made out of junk wire.
Yeah.
It's not made out of nice wire. I no longer.
Example. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's a good example of what a 4 looks like, you know.
Yeah.
And 3 makes it almost triangular shape, you know. 5 is a great place to start. 7 is also a good place to start. But 5 is the easiest for people when they're learning.
So this is 5.